Hey, we welcome back Ray Sampson from Permaseal here to talk a little bit about what the weather can do to your outdoor areas that you try to enjoy. Well, I guess this summer's been so hot, probably people haven't been out much in the backyard, have they?
That's right, Jeff. The heat and humidity kind of scare people away for a while, but even extreme heat like we've had recently, followed by wet weather, a lot of wet weather, really doesn't have an effect on the wood after it's been treated by our product.
Okay.
The extreme heat causes the wood to crack and dry out, split, and with our product, since we are sealing the wood from the inside out, we just kind of lock the wood and solidify it, and so that has no long-term effect, the heat on the wood. And on the other hand, too much wet weather is usually the enemy of the wood because it activates the fungus inside that's naturally going to cause the wood to rot and deteriorate from the inside out. But with our product, we actually keep that moisture out. We pull the fungus out first and then replace it with our liquid silicone sealant product. Solidifies, and so the wet weather is not a problem for us.
You can't control the rain. You can't stop that from falling, can you?
We can't stop nature. That's right. So, but this kind of helps us out a little bit, and the wood actually becomes a hybrid when we're finished. It's really not a wood anymore. It has some properties of wood, but other properties of hardened, solidified silicone from the inside out.
So you have an experiment here, a little show and tell how your product works?
I sure do, Jeff. What we use for demonstration purposes is Arm & Hammer baking soda. We use it because it has the same pH balance as wood and concrete, or the same acidic level, basically.
Okay.
So I'm just going to pop that off and put a little bit in the bottom of the cup here just to kind of cover the bottom. That.
All right.
And then this is the actual silicone-based sealant that we use in both wood and concrete, and it's colorless and odorless, but it's going to have a reaction with the naturally occurring acid in wood and concrete and in the baking soda, so I'm trying to get the air bubbles out of there a little bit.
Okay.
But by the time I can get the top back on, it's already solidified. And it does the same thing with wood and concrete, obviously not this quick, but over the period of about 30 to 45 to 60 days, depending on if it's wood or concrete and the weather conditions.
So people can get those decks sealed up so you can keep that rain out, right?
That's exactly right. The advantages of our product is it's a one-time application permanent solution. You never need top coats or stains or pressure washing. And more importantly, you'll never need replacement cost, not one board or much less the entire deck.
How can people find out more info about Permaseal?
They can go to our website at permasealusa.com.
Sounds great. Well, we appreciate you coming in and helping us keep our decks ready for the fall. Hopefully things will cool off and we can get outside and enjoy it, right?
That's right.
All right, thanks.
Thanks
Appreciate
very
it.
much.
We'll be right back on Fox 2 News Saturday mornings. Stay with us.